Hi guys, welcome to this video. Well, in the previous videos we talked about RS232, but we didn't talk how we can use RS422. So why we are using it, alright? So it's nothing but it's very interesting protocol, and as I mentioned before, it's expansion of RS232. No, it's an expansion, improved version. Why they are just improved it? So RS422 is providing big advantage for increasing possibilities and providing possibilities for transmitting data from transmitter to receiver with a high data rate and to long distance. All right, it's a long distance, so it's a use commonly in our day-to-day technology for complex tasks, and how we're gonna see in a bit. Let's move forward. RS422 protocol characteristics are the following. So it's nothing use single-ended multi-drop cable for transmitting data. This is first. Data can be transmitted from one transmitter, but on the other hand, there may be 10 receivers. So one transmitter. So only one transmitter to 10 receivers. RS422 is eligible to transmit data by following full duplex, both full duplex and half duplex. Be careful, alright? So here, full duplex and half duplex communication modes. So it's starting out, it can be transmitted in a synchronized mode and asynchronized mode. Okay. Type of serial communication is capable of sending data, and we are in the 4, alright, we are in 4. Okay. So here is capable of sending data at a maximum distance of 4,000 feet. It's nothing but 1 kilometer. Okay, 1,200 meter. All right. So maximum data rate is nothing but 50 feet distance. Okay, 50 feet distance. It needs at least 4 wires for sending data and follows point-to-point transmission. So it's nothing point-to-point transmission. All right. So it's point-to-point, 1 transmitter and 10 receivers. This type of serial communication has a capability of driving output current is up to 150 watt. All right. I'm sorry, ampere. So it's 150 ampere. All right. So relationship between cable length and signal rate is proportional, which means that signal rate becomes slower concerning increase of cable lengths. So if you increase the if you take a cable, so for practical speaking, let's say if cable is too much long, so becoming single rate is proportional to it. So it's nothing but single rate transmission of data becoming slower and slower if you increase the cable length. So the shorter cable and faster transmission of data for specifically RS422. Let's move forward. So RS422 is a 4 wires for data transmission, 2 twisted wires for transmission, as you can see here. So it's nothing but male. Okay, as you can see, it has an extracted part, so 9 points. 4 wires for transmission data, 2 twisted wires for transmission, 2 twisted wires for receiving. So one common ground. So every protocols have one grounded wire. All right, one grounded wire. This is specific. So it's basically it. Let's say in contrast to RS232, RS422 is supporting DB9 connector compatible with RS422 protocol. The voltage on data lines can be arranged from negative 6 to positive 6. Question. So RS422 is a digital or analog data protocol? Well, if you remember, RS232 was digital, right? So it's also digital because it's nothing but expansion of RS232. Well, thanks for watching this part. So I would like to tell also you about connector definitions. Before I told you let's skip in that video, but here I'm gonna tell you with specifically connectors. So what's CD? It's a carrier detect. So in every protocol have type of connectors. So RXD is nothing to receive data. So R receive, XD receiver data, transmit TXT transmitter data terminal ready, DTR, system ground, GND system ground, dataset ready, DSR, RTS, request to send, okay, clear to send, and ring indicator. So mainly three connectors are commonly attached to every protocol. Every protocol are going to use these connectors, which are these connectors: RXT, TXT, and ground. Be sure, alright? Every protocol have those. Maybe some protocols don't use all those connectors which are existing here, but every connector can have to use RXT, GND, and TXT. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope so far it's clear. We're gonna talk more in the next videos what are other protocols are. Thanks for watching.